Hello, students and families of my second period accelerated math class. My name is Mr. Vaughn, Mr. Jimmy Vaughn, and I wanted to take a moment and introduce myself to you since we can't meet in person, we meet virtually this way. I also have some important information about the class, what materials you'll need, and stopping by the school to get some of the packets that you're going to need. So like I said, my name is Jimmy Vaughn. I'm your child's math teacher. They are enrolled in an accelerated math class, and I'll talk about that more a little bit later. But if you think this is the wrong class they signed up for, they did not sign up for it, please talk to your counselor right away. We had a pretty good week, I think. First week of school, some tough technological challenges, but we got through them. And I know I learned a lot about teaching online and posting things on Canvas, and I think the kids did too. So thank you for your patience, and thank the students, your children, for their patience as well. I'm trying to be super patient as we get through this together and learn a lot about it. So thank you for that. Contacting me, email is best. It's jvaughn, V-A-U-G-H-N, at l2sd.org, and all of your children's teachers, anybody that works in the school district, has the same formula: initial of their first name, last name, at l2sd.org. You should be able to get in contact with anybody. Most important message for today is I need you to go by the school sometime next week. Monday's a holiday, so Tuesday through Friday. 7 o'clock to 3:30 is when the office is open. You're going to go by there and pick up your child's math packets. The accelerated class moves quickly enough where I have 2 chapters of work there for them. It's a little funny because we're going in a weird order, but chapter 3, we're doing chapter 3 first, then chapter 2. So you're going to pick up the work for both of those chapters. Each chapter has a note packet and the work packet. So you will be picking up 2 packets that are yellow, that's the chapter 3, and 2 things that are lavender, a light purple color. That's for chapter 2. There should be a box that says accelerated math. It's not going to say Vaughn on it because all of the 6th grade teachers are doing the same packets this year. Your science teacher is also going to require you to pick up a green packet for your science class. And again, all the 6th grade teachers are doing the same thing for their science classes, so you can pick that up at the same time there as well. In addition to that packet picking up the packet next week, please get a notebook for your child. And I talked to the class about this already. Notebook, spiral bound notebook, regular composition notebook, either one's fine, just something for them to write their work on, because it is super important that they show their work in math. Plenty of pencils. They're not in class with me to get their pencils from me, so please make sure they have those materials there. So those are required. Picking up the packet, a notebook, and pencils. Optional things, a tape measure would be really handy to have. Some measuring cups in the house would be handy to have, but those things are optional. We can work with you if you do not have those. I want to try to do a lot of hands-on, away from the computer work in math this year. So those are the materials you're going to need. What about the class? This accelerated class is going to cover all of the 6th grade material by March, fingers crossed, and then the rest of the year we will be doing the first half of the 7th grade material. So by the time 6th grade's over, they'll have a year and a half of math. In 7th grade, they will finish off the second half of the 7th grade material and do all of the 8th grade material. And then if they stay on this track, in 8th grade, they will be doing high school math 1 and getting credit for that in their high school transcripts. So that's the path that your child is on by being in this accelerated math class. We're going to cover decimals, fractions, percents, operations with all of those and converting between those, and rates. That's mostly this fall. Then we'll get into some introduction to algebra, statistics, and geometry. That's all 6th grade material, and then we'll get into the 7th grade material after that. We'll be doing the work in the packet that you guys are picking up. I do believe it's important that they do the work on paper and pencil. There is an online textbook which we'll be utilizing some as well. And the district right now, we do not have Alex currently in the district. We're hoping to get that back, but Alex will be a part of your child's math practice this year as well, hopefully. This weekend, I would love for you to log on to your child's Canvas account with them and see if they've done their assignments for this week. This week was kind of trying things out, seeing how if we can turn things in. So if there's assignments missing, they may not know exactly how to turn them in. So that's what we're trying to work through this week. So I told the students that everything was going to expire on Friday. I've extended that all the way till Monday because I realized it would be great for you guys to be able to go in and look and see what they have going on there. The grade that's on Canvas is not their grade in the class. Canvas is going to be a place to just check to see whether our assignments are done or not. Aries is where their grade's going to be, and right now Aries and Canvas are not communicating, but once they start communicating, Aries will be the place for your child's grade. Canvas will be the place to see whether they've done their assignments or not. Last thing from me is the library. If the librarian's in charge of all the Chromebooks, if your child's having trouble with their Chromebooks, mic's not working, video's not working, or something like that, please go to the school on Tuesday from 10 to 12 or Thursday from 12 to 2. And the front of the school, she's going to be in room 15, which is one of the classrooms that opens up to the front parking lot. So you should be able to pull in that front parking lot and meet there and exchange a Chromebook or get some help with it there. So that is it for me for now. Again, it was wonderful meeting your children this week, and I look forward to meeting with you sometime soon, and I hope you have a great weekend.